Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and today we're going to make a microwave-friendly black bean soup. This is so fast, don't blink or you'll miss it. Okay, we've got a microwave-safe bowl. To that, we're gonna go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Right to this cold olive oil, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons. I'm doing chili powder. You guys can do taco seasoning if you want, it doesn't really matter. We're gonna stir that around just to coat all of that chili powder. Okay, we're just making a very delicious paste. Okay, so we're gonna pop this in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. All we're trying to do is get the oil hot, the flavor will come out of the spices. It'll give us a really good head start for a very super simple microwave friendly recipe. So as soon as you start to smell it, take it out of the microwave. We're just waiting. I don't smell it yet. You having a good day? Me too. It's beautiful out. That's why we're making super fast food so we can get outside and play. Okay. I think it can go a little longer, honestly. So, back in the microwave with you. We just don't want to burn the spices, so we're just going to keep a close eye on it and see what happens. No takes. We're going all the way through. Just kidding. We're going to have takes. Perfect. See that? And the oil is now the color of chili powder. Smells really awesome. And this is a salt-free chili powder blend. But you don't have, you can use whatever you have. We'll add salt to taste anyway. Okay, to this, we have about 3 cans of black beans, rinsed and drained. If you are a fan of pressure cooking like I am, you could absolutely use beans that you've pressure cooked. Okay, so we're gonna stir that around. Could have probably chosen a bigger bowl. Could have definitely chosen a bigger bowl. You know what? Let's get a bigger bowl. Nah, how's that for a big bowl? Okay. As long as it fits in your microwave, it's the only thing you have to worry about. Okay, because now I have all this goop that I don't want to waste, we're gonna add my can of tomatoes. And these are the tomatoes that have green chilies in them. I really like it. If you're only gonna use a few ingredients, you should make all of them count. Okay, so we're just using that to get out all of the good stuff. So there we go. Beans, those diced tomatoes. Okay. And now what I think we should do, because honestly, these tomatoes weren't as juicy as I was hoping. So we need to add some water because we're gonna put this back in the microwave. And we wanna kind of soften this up and have all these flavors get all happy together. Because after all, we're making soup. So, nice. You can see there's some liquid for it to work with. We don't have fancy cameras, so there you go. All right, let me toss this around. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my salt now. I'm gonna do a teaspoon. And, of course, just a little black pepper. Just give that a stir. Okay. We're gonna put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. Yeah. Blast it on high, and then we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. All right. Pretty hot. Oh, that smells fabulous. Okay. I think at this point, what I want to do is I'm going to start mashing some of these beans. I like a black bean soup that's kind of got a lot of texture, but not all the way like full beans. So we're going to mash. and mix and mash. And we're gonna get it to the texture that you like. If you have an immersion blender or a regular blender or a food processor, you can do this. But we're keeping it simple and using what's available. Okay, so you can see I'm just taking this spoon and mashing. And as the beans mash, it's thickening our soup. I'm gonna be here a while, so I'm gonna keep at this and I'll check back in with you guys when my arm is tired. All right. Ooh, it's a big guy. Let me tell you, 3 cans of beans goes a really long way. Oh, it smells awesome. Move aside. Okay. I spent like 4 minutes mashing. My arm is exhausted, so it was time to call it quits. As you can see, we've got, can you see that without me spilling it everywhere? We've got, it's soupy and thick. And I checked it for seasoning because I couldn't resist, and it's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it now that the mashing is done and it's plenty hot. I think the spoon is a little bit huge for the size of the bowl. Okay. Mmm. It's really good. Honestly, this rivals some of the best black bean soup I've ever had in really good restaurants. I'm super pleased. This was beans, a can of tomatoes, some olive oil, chili powder, salt, and pepper. 6 ingredients. And we have really, really good soup that honestly, this will feed a family of 6 probably. There's a ton of soup in here. And also something that I was thinking of as it was finishing microwaving is you could thicken this even further on your stove top or in the microwave, and this would be so good as a filling for a burrito or as a topping for nachos. And you know, honestly, I think we're gonna make nachos for dinner tonight. I wanna see if I can thicken this just a little bit more and maybe have some really good layered nachos with, you know, beans and cheese and maybe some onion. And if I do that, I promise to let you know exactly how we decide to do our nachos. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you will find your microwave more useful than just heating up your morning coffee. And again, this is Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and I will see you soon. Bye, everybody.